National President of the NPP and Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA on Friday said that the just concluded by-elections reflect the mandate of the people and this will carry over to the general elections of 2023. The Chief Minister made the statement at a felicitation program for its two victorious candidates from MAWRYNKNENG and RAJABALA constituencies at the NPP headquarters in Shillong. It may be mentioned that the newly elected party MLAs include Pinyat Singh's Aim from MAWRYNKNENG and Abdul Saleh from Rajabala. Mauplang candidate Lamprang Bla, who did not manage to win, was also present at the program. Quote, "We have never achieved victory during an MLA election in both Rajabala and MAWRYNKNENG constituencies as these are two Congress strongholds, but with good governance the people have put their faith in our party," unquote, Sangma said. He further said that in previous elections, the NPP in these two constituencies has always been in the third or fourth positions.
I'm sure that we are all so happy and we feel blessed that God has blessed us with two more MLAs to strengthen our party and to take the work that we have started forward. But I would only like to say that what our Honorable Deputy CM had mentioned in his speech, that this is again a mandate for the government. Clearly, the people of this state, in spite of all the negativity that the opposition has tried to bring in, people have seen through it. People have realized that these are all fake and false information, and people have voted in favor of the government, clearly reflecting that people are happy with the work that is going on. But obviously it means much more has to be done. So like Barubin was mentioning in his prayer, and I totally agree with him, that we must be humbled by this victory. We must not be proud or feel that we have achieved the greatest, even though it was a very sweet victory for us, because both these constituencies were not the NPP's constituencies. They were from the opposition, and it's not easy for any party to be able to capture constituencies which are not yours. And as was mentioned by Mr. Abdul Saleh, not only Rajabala, even MAWRYNKNENG has never been a constituency where NPP has won. In fact, in both the constituencies, NPP has been in third or fourth position every time. So it was a huge challenge. It was a very sweet victory, but we should be humbled by the victory. We should work harder as a party, and we should work harder as a government to ensure that we continue being committed to the people of our state. We continue being committed to the issues that matter to our people. We work sincerely and dedicatedly, and I can assure both the MLAs who have been elected that as a government we will support and we will do our best to ensure that we are able to do whatever we can in this very short time of 1 year and 4 months. It may be short, but if we work hard, it's more than close to about 500 days. So there's a lot of work we can do in 500 days. 1.5 years looks very short, but 500 days is a long time. So let us try and not lose out even one day and start the work that we're supposed to do for the people of MAWRYNKNENG constituency and Rajabala and the state as a whole.